you were taking pre or intra-workout carbohydrates and you skip this one simple key step that so many people seem to skip out on, you are probably going to be getting zero benefit whatsoever from those carbohydrates. And that step is water. If you are not drinking a boatload of water before your pre-workout meal, after your pre-workout meal, on the way to the gym, and while you're lifting, those carbs are not getting utilized whatsoever. Glycogen, which is what fills up your muscles, is comprised of 3 to 4 grams of water per 1 gram of carbohydrates. That means if you only consume carbohydrates and don't have water with them, glycogen is not going to get filled up whatsoever. You're just going to have carbohydrates sitting in your system. There's no water to actually deliver them to your muscles and to hold the volume inside of your muscles. So you need to drink water with your carbohydrates, and a lot of it. You need to drink more than what you feel thirsty for. This is why people need to stop being afraid of sodium, electrolytes, and water. When you actually are able to get a pump, which requires carbs, electrolytes, and water, it pulls the muscles closer to the skin, giving you a leaner look. I woke up this morning, had a ridiculous amount of water, had electrolytes on the way to the gym, and had carbohydrates during my workout with a separate bottle of water that I sipped throughout the workout. And I have never felt leaner and bigger in my life. I'm telling you guys, don't be afraid of water. Don't be afraid of electrolytes. If you're going to have carbs, you need water with it. You cannot just have carbohydrates. You're not going to get a lean, dry look by not having water and not having electrolytes. That is completely backwards, especially as a natural. Drink your water. I cannot stress it enough. You need to get that blood volume up and fill up those muscles, especially in the morning if you're working out fasted. When you wake up, you have insanely low blood volume and you're not going to be able to get a pump at all. You need to slam a ton of water when you first wake up, and ideally have electrolytes on the way to the gym as well. And then you can get insane pumps. So stop being afraid of water, guys. It's key.